Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to remove your passenger side window switch from your Camry. First thing you want to do is open your door up, come here, and don't pry on the front of this. There's a tab on that you can break off. You want to take something and get up underneath the back of this. I just got some wire cutters. Pop it up, just like so. Then you pull forward, like that was the tab I was talking about. Once you pull forward, you can take your hand and just mash that in and unplug that. And do the same to this side, right here. Might take two hands. And that is how you remove your passenger side window switch from your Camry. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.